So today I'm gonna do a boat tour around Lucerne city of Switzerland with a cascade ticket. And this ticket only costs 50 euros, but it allows you to travel anywhere in Switzerland by bus, by train, and even by boat. So it's quite convenient and affordable for me. However, this kind of ticket is only available to Swiss citizens, so make sure you ask someone living in Switzerland to buy it for you.
And wish you an enjoyable cruise on Lake Lucerne.
And actually, you can find many different boat trips at the Lake Lucerne, but because I arrived Lucerne a bit late, so I only could choose the 1 hour round trip, and it starts around 5 p.m.
Sorry, your name again?
Fern.
Fern.
Plant.
Fern. F-E-R-N. Okay.
Mai, right?
Yeah, my name is Easy.
Why did you choose Lucerne to visit this time?
Yeah, because I could go to the mountains. I could go to the different cities in Switzerland from here, so it's easy to just be around from Lucerne. Yeah,
I guess a great location.
Yeah, great location.
What's your first impression here?
In Lucerne,
Yeah.
actually it was great because from where I was staying, it's kind of actually far, 30 minutes away from the city.
Yeah.
But the view is very nice. It's calm, it's serene.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna miss this because back in the Philippines in Manila, like everything is
Busy, I know.
Yeah, it's very busy and everything is like rushing. And here you just can come down and just enjoy the.
That's
view.
what I
Yeah.
thought too. Yeah. So, is this the first time you went on this cruise?
Yeah, actually this is my first time to cruise,
Yeah.
especially here in Lake Lucerne. I usually just tour the city by walking, so my feet is sore from walking. So when I had my walking tour, they said that I should try doing the cruise. So
Okay. And what do you feel about that?
it's great actually. I thought it would be bad because it was raining a while ago, but now that the sun is coming up again, it's great seeing this kind of view.
That's what I felt. I was afraid that it would be cloudy,
It would be
blurry.
dark, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it would be like not a good experience because it was raining. So
You know, it was raining a little in Zurich today.
30 minutes, yeah.
so I had to delay my ticket because you could use the ticket, right?
Yeah.
Like after an hour.
Yeah.
So I was supposed to be here like an hour ago.
Yeah.
But I said, oh, it was raining, so maybe I could do it later. And then when I did it now, it was still raining, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go.
That's, sometimes you go with the flow. It's just actually better.
Yeah, you don't have to plan everything, especially when you're in the travel. Like you can't plan everything. You have to be spontaneous, and when it's the spontaneity that makes it fun. It makes it
Exactly what I am thinking. So what would you recommend for a person who just have one day in Lucerne?
I think that you have to do a walking tour in Lucerne since the places there are very near.
Yeah.
And then do this cruise
Okay.
because you're gonna do a lot of serene things.
Yeah. Everyone is so excited for the rainbow because
So it's nice to be on a cruise while it's raining.
exactly. And after that is sunny. So
This is gonna be a rainbow.
thing is, this one only you can see by your eyes, but if you take the picture, you cannot see clearly.
Not clearly, yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It doesn't even go to that part. It's just there in the middle.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. I think it's amazing. Oh, amazing. I'll try first and see how the... Okay, she wanted to by herself. Very courageous woman. Now it's windy and windy and she stays there. Be careful, they can, sleep on the river